What is up, guys? Welcome back into the channel. If you are new, thank you for stopping in. Well, we aren't up in the shop today. We're actually in my sister's garage. I figured I'm just gonna kind of give a to-date build of the 98. I haven't done a video like this in a while, but I put a poll out on Instagram yesterday, I think it was, or the day before. If you guys want to see me flex the 79, we will be doing that. I'm gonna be doing it a little bit different way. I'll actually be pulling it into the shop and using probably a jack to do it, just so I can like measure it and see actually how high and stuff it will go. But that's going to be, I think, this weekend's video. Right now we're going to be talking about the 98, like I said. If you are new, this is a 1998 GMC K2500 3/4 ton 8-lug truck. It's the extended cab. It's got the long bed on it. I'll post some pictures of it as I go along here talking about it. But I bought this truck my senior year of high school, so going on 5 years ago. I don't even know how long. Whatever. The beginning of, or the end of 2016, excuse me, because I graduated in 2017, so it'd been in the beginning of 2016. So yeah, I guess this coming January will mark 5 years from when I bought it. But anyway, so I bought this truck. I did have a 2001 Silverado, just 1500 with the 4.3 V6. We started the hay farm up. I wanted something that had a little bit more power, more get up and go stuff, or something I could use to haul the gooseneck, just pull wagons and stuff like that. So I found this one. It is a 5.7, the 350. It's got the 4L80E transmission. It's the 14-bolt rear end in it, but we'll be going over all that. I just want to kind of give you guys an overview real quick. But this truck has definitely been a headache at times. It's been just one of those things that I've put a lot of time and money in, and then something else breaks and you just kind of get frustrated. Yeah, that's this truck here. But I guess I'll pop the hood and we'll start up there and then just work our way back. So we are up here in the engine compartment, guys. Like I said, this is the 5.7 350. I actually blew this motor, or the original motor, up, probably 3 years ago at a car show at our local, like, Scoop the Loop. I revved it way too many times, but the motor did have like 240,000 miles on it, stock motor. So I ended up, what happening is I revved it and the distributor runs down and I stripped the gears off of it. So I just went ahead and fully rebuilt it. Well, I didn't, I had a guy do it. But now it is bored 30 over, it's cammed, it's all that. So I guess it's a 355 now. We did long tube headers on it. We got a full true dual exhaust. It's not the prettiest underneath here. I want to come back and clean a bunch of the stuff up because I do have some like wiring stuff going on, because I do have a transmission gauge, and just like I said, I just want to clean it up. But in a later video, I will be building like an air box for this over here, because right now it's just sitting there, and I'm going to basically use the factory mount here and building a custom, probably diamond plated air box. I'll drill a hole and all that. Like I said, it'll be in a later video. But we do have dual batteries. I did an Egr Delete on it when I deleted the stock manifolds on it. But we got the 2-inch cowl hood up here. All this was done by my good buddy Donnie. He is the one that painted the shop wall. But that's basically it for up here, guys. We do have Indigo off-road front grille. This truck will be getting a major makeover here soon. I have all the body panels and stuff for it. I bought new seats for it. It's very dirty on the inside. I will be getting a carpet kit here shortly to replace this factory carpet. I'm going to go the same blue, but I'm going to pull all the seats out, pull the rear seats out, redo the speakers, throw the new carpet kit in. But before I do that, I'm probably going to coat the floor to make sure it's all good to go. But no, I mean, it's a really clean inside truck. Don't mind me missing my door handle pieces. I had those off the other day. But no, the tweeters work. I got different speakers in the doors. It's just a slow build, but I don't really care about much on the inside. I'd rather it run good and look good before I spend a whole lot of money on the inside. But we just had the full front end rebuild by my buddy Chad. At Hoosier Motorsports. He did all new CV axles, ball joints, I mean a bunch of stuff. So that was done. Like I said, the transmission's got the 4L80E in it. It's been rebuilt. I would crawl underneath it and show you, but we're not going to do that. And then after shortly getting it, the rear end, I mean, probably 6 months to 8 months after me owning the truck, the rear end went out. So that is a different rear end. I'm probably going to have the guy that rebuilt the 79's rear end, John Kramer, probably go through that and just kind of check everything, make sure it's all good to go. Probably the beginning of the year. But the truck is going to be getting a makeover. Like I said, a lot of body work coming. I'd like to throw a 6-inch lift on it. Rough country, hit me up. I'm always willing to work with companies. But I don't want to go super high because it does have the gooseneck ball in the bed. Don't mind the shelf. Oh, I guess can't even see it. But the gooseneck ball, it's the hideaway ball. So I'm constantly towing and stuff with it. I don't want it to be super high when I'm towing. It's got like that really bad squatted lean look to it. So I do not want that at all. But it's got new fuel tank, sending unit. I did that when I got the truck too. There's just a lot of stuff I've done to it. I've gone through, I think, 3 sets of wheels now. The current setup is 18x12 Moto Metal 962s. We're running a 305 on there. It needs new tread, but I'll probably hold off. I mean, they're not terrible. But yeah, it's, like I said, it's a slow build. That's basically with any build. You kind of change stuff here and there. You think this is better than that. But I got a brand new bed for it. I have new rockers and cab corners for it. I have new fenders for it. The new cowl hood's on it. Like I said, there's a bunch of stuff that I just really need to just get on and get it done. But with me working and doing YouTube and then my own auto body and stuff, it's kind of a pain in the butt to work on your own stuff. But no, it's a good solid truck. Sorry if that wind noise is loud, or try and block it. But no, that's basically it. Like I said, it's got the built motor, built transmission, rear end's been changed. The wheels and tires set up. It's got the D.M.I bumper on the rear. I did put the fog lights in. And you guys can go back and check out a lot of these videos that are all on my YouTube. And when I go to do the interior, it will be on there as well. As far as exhaust goes, we did have 45s coming out in this area, but over the axle piece, I guess, rotted through or broke. So now it just kind of dumped right in front of the axle. I got a curve down on it. I'll get an exhaust clip and stuff for you. But yeah, I just want to kind of give you guys a little up-to-date video. Not sure how many guys actually like this build. I'm sure you guys like the 79 more, and trust me, the 79's content's going to be coming. I got that shaft I need to upgrade on it and stuff, but we haven't talked about the 98 in a while, so I figured I'd go ahead and throw this video out there. But enough of me talking. Let's get to some exhaust clips. So that's going to do it, guys. Remember, learning as I do, doing what I love. I'm the GM man. I'll see you guys in the next one.